Good day. I hope all is well. And I'm just thinking it is important for us to remember that for us to move ahead in our fitness journey, on our fitness journey or health journey, it is important for us to know that we'll have to move ahead by not only doing one move a day, but starting to do more moves or maybe just exercising a bit longer. Maybe later on joining a gym or, just stepping it up a little bit so that we get better. And the more we do that, we also realize how much we enjoy it and the good that we get out of it. And then we want to do more and get better. So today's move is to get out of the house a bit, even if it's just a few steps outside, or like what I'm doing today. I took a route with a very steep hill, and I'm out on a run for 15 minutes out and 15 minutes back. And in that way I'm also able to control the time that I'm spending on my exercise today as well, because our time is limited sometimes and it's easy to use it as an excuse not to do it. So I hope you get onto your move for the day. Just get out and walk or run if you want. Go well.